Hello everyone, welcome to our newest videos. And on my right hand is the newest products going to demonstration today is a cooking pot. So let me give the overall dimensions first. For the unit's diameters, it's almost about like a 33 inches in the length. And the overall heights, they are about like a 31.5 inches tall. So basically the unit was made by the all stainless steels and they come in with 4 handlebars on each of the side. And in the center, they have a cap handles too. When you lift it up, we can feel that everything inside is polished. So they will be super easy to clean. And this is a little heavy. And this will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.